for the right vehicle? Check out 2019 Nissan Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, and most of the features come standard. Combine that with the powerful engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, traction control, power passenger seat, heated seats, dual airbags, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, fog lights, power windows, trip computer, heated steering wheel, rear window defroster, heated front seats, security system, compass, electronic stability control, outside temperature gauge, brake assist. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.